Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to post full picture on Instagram on your Android phone. So I'm going to show you the easy way. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show you my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone or iOS, you can follow the same step. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, let's go on my Android screen. So guys, here I am on my Instagram, and first I suggest you update your Instagram application. Let check your whether your application updated or not. Now go to the this plus icon, and I'm going to show you by going to post. And here you can see I have two photograph. One is this, which is old one, and it is not fit in in post. If I do this, then if I upload scroll down or up, then my leg will be cut, and if I down, my head will be cut. So if I use this auto fit, then also you can see the photo is not perfect. So if you see in this photo, it will be perfectly fit in pose. So I just did this. So how I did this, I show you. So guys, you have to use one application. So it is simple application. Go to the Play Store and search full size photo for Instagram, and here you can see lots of photo application. So I use this one, which is no crop and secure for Instagram. Just open it. After open, let open it. Okay, so now, so after open, the app interface look like this. You have to click on this edit button first, and directly your photo gallery or your gallery will be open. Now you have to choose photo. So I just choose, okay, this is no crop photo, so I just choose from download. So I choose this one, which is not edited. Just click on it, it will be open. Now you have to just click on this share icon and just download. Okay, download it. You don't need to done any editing. Just go to the share and download it, then it will be download to your gallery. Now just go to the Instagram, just click on post or click on post, and you will see this photo will be saved here, which is new one, and this is perfectly fit in your Instagram post. Now just click on this photo and just click on this next. Okay, and you can post full photo on your Instagram. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.